If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon. If you want more such videos or any specific videos, leave the details in the comment section. Okay, going further, we'll be adding data models to our Power Pivot. So hold on, data model, what is that? You might be getting a doubt. So it is simple. Data model is nothing but a data structure where you will be adding multiple datas to our Power Pivot. So what is that? First of all, let's see what are the datas which we have. So for that, I have a folder in desktop, so which has 3 Excel files. So what is that? One is customers, second is orders, and third one is toy types. So here we'll be constructing a Power Pivot analysis data for a toy type, that is toy industry. So first of all, what is the Excel files? We'll open and see. First and foremost, toy types. So what all toys it has? Like it has a toy car 1, toy car type 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. And it has an approx price, that is it has different toys like each toy type, and it has revenue per toy, means what is the cost of that a toy which we are generating the revenue, and what is the cost per toy, means this is the cost and this is a selling price. So this is one toy types which we have, and this, let us look at other files, that is customer files. It is nothing but a customer base which we have, a dummy customer base which we have created here just to link the customers. And we'll close this one, don't save as of now. And the orders file, that is each customer how much order they have been generating. I'll just open the file. You can see what is the order ID, what is the type of the product, and how many units sold, and on what date it has been sold. So this is the 3 files which we have of as of now. So we'll be creating a data model. So for that, it is simple. Just click on manage under Power Pivot ribbon, click on manage. It will open a new window to you. In that, no need to get complicated. We'll just go a simple step by step. That is, we want to add the data. So data can be in server, or data can be in other sources. Data can be in other data models which might be. So like that, here we have options in the Power Pivot. So from where you want to add the data, it might be from your SQL server, or it might be from Access, or it might be from any other services which Power Pivot has. So from other services, like if I click on this, you can see there's an option from OB data, from whether which server you want to feed, and third option which you have is from other sources. So if I click on that, there is a pop-up window here. Again, it will start asking from where you want. So if you hold the scroll bar and you pull it down, so you can see Excel file. So if I click Excel file, click on next, it will start asking where the Excel file path is. So I'll click on browse. I go to desktop where my Power Pivot is there. I'll click on that. So for beginning, let us add customers. I'll double click on it. And once this is done, you can see an option which is describing use first row as column header. So whenever you see a data here, I'll just open the file as normal Excel. You can see there's a header. Header of the file is the first row itself. That is customer ID, name, phone, address. So that one we are saying whether that has to be a row header in Power Pivot. Yes, we want that to be our heading in Power Pivot. So that we'll be clicking here, use first row as column headers. So that I have selected. I'll click on next. So it is creating that file, whether it is picking up the file, and it has taken, yes, it has taken successfully the customer's file. I'll click on finish, or I can see preview and filter if I want to. I'll click on that. You can see it has automatically taken the file it has to calculate. It has taken address, city, state, everything it has taken. So I'll click on OK. I'll click on finish. So it started importing the file. I'll click on close. So as soon as I click on close, and as soon as the file is loaded, you can see the exact file it has generated, and you can see there is a name called as customers which it has generated. So this is how you import the data to a Power Pivot. I think this example gave you an idea about how to import the data to Power Pivot file. So this is how we added the first file. Now let us see how we can add the remaining two files as well to our Power Pivot. So I'll click again from other sources. So it came a pop-up window. I'll scroll down, click on Excel, click next, browse the path where the file is. I have already taken the customers. I'll take orders, use the first row as row headers. I'll look next. It has taken the file. I'll click on finish. You may select to import. Yes, I will select the import. I'll click on finish. Okay, so it has imported that. I'll click on close. You can see as soon as I click close, it starts creating that file and that file went off. So you can see all the file has been imported. So next is how we can take the third file. So instead of clicking the source, I'll go to the Excel file which it was there. It is nothing but in the same folder I was creating a working file. So that file is already open here. So I'll just open the third file, that is toy types, the types of the toys which it has. Instead of importing, I'll select everything, Control C, I'll go to the working file and I'll paste it here, Control V, or you can right click and paste as this one as well, or Control Z, and you can just enter Control V. So there is a table it has created. So here you can see add to data model. So I'll click add to data model. You can see after few seconds of data based on the system processing, you can see one table data it has created. So this is how you import the data. We have seen two different options, one to add from the source and one to put the data in Excel and add to data models. So this is how you import the data to our Power Pivot. Once all the data has been added to our Power Pivot, you might see a few might not be having the names as per you. So for that, you can right click, rename. I'll type as toy types and I'll click outside. You can see the name has been changed. So once the data has been added, you might get an options and you will know that you have multiple options here to see all the three sheets of data or three different workbooks of data in one Power Pivot.
If you like the video, then share and subscribe. Detail Excel course link is in the description.